Galileo Galilei, pioneering mathematician, astronomer, and philosopher. Galileo Galilei, an Italian astronomer, engineer, and physicist, stands as the eminent figure known as the father of observational astronomy, the scientific method, modern physics, and modern science. Born on February 15, 1564 in Pisa, Italy, his impact on the scientific landscape is immeasurable. In this exploration, we journey through the life, achievements, and profound influence of Galileo Galilei, a polymath whose legacy resonates in our understanding of the natural world. Galileo's early life unfolded in a noble family, his father being Vincenzo Galilei, a musician and music theorist. Despite familial expectations for him to pursue medicine, Galileo's intrinsic fascination with mathematics led him to alter his trajectory. Enrolling at the University of Pisa in 1581, he initially studied medicine, mathematics, and natural philosophy. However, his passion for mathematics eclipsed his medical pursuits, steering him toward the works of ancient mathematicians like Euclid and Archimedes. Even as a student at Pisa, Galileo made significant strides in mechanics. The famous experiment from the Leaning Tower of Pisa, though debated for historical accuracy, symbolizes his commitment to empirical investigation and early interest in the laws governing motion. In 1585, financial constraints led him to leave the University of Pisa without completing his degree, marking the beginning of a period of intellectual growth and innovation. Transitioning to a teaching role, Galileo disseminated his mathematical prowess at various institutions in Italy, including the University of Pisa. His reputation as a skilled mathematician blossomed, paving the way for his appointment as a professor of mathematics at the University of Padua in 1592, a position he held for nearly 2 decades. During this time, he published influential works on mechanics, such as The Little Balance, 1586, and The Two New Sciences, 1638, laying the foundation for classical physics. The turning point in Galileo's career came in 1609, when he learned of the telescope's invention in the Netherlands. Recognizing its potential for astronomical observations, he swiftly crafted his telescope. With this rudimentary instrument, he made groundbreaking observations of the moon's surface, discovering mountains, craters, and valleys. His observations of Jupiter's moons, now known as the Galilean moons, provided empirical evidence supporting the heliocentric model, challenging the geocentric view held by the Catholic Church. Galileo's advocacy for the heliocentric model brought him into conflict with the Catholic Church, leading to his trial in 1633. Despite facing opposition, he continued refining his observations and defending his findings in works like Sidereus Nuncius, 1610, and Dialogue Concerning the Two Chief World Systems, 1632. Beyond astronomy, Galileo made significant contributions to mathematics. He formulated the law of falling bodies, a precursor to Newton's law of universal gravitation, and his work on projectile motion challenged Aristotelian physics. Observations on pendulum swings furthered the development of accurate timekeeping devices like the pendulum clock. Galileo Galilei's legacy extends far beyond his specific contributions to astronomy and mathematics. His emphasis on empirical observation, mathematical analysis, and the scientific method became guiding principles for future scientists. Despite the trial and his forced recantation, Galileo's ideas persisted, paving the way for a more harmonious coexistence between science and religion. In the centuries following his death on January 8, 1642, Galileo's ideas continued to inspire generations of scientists and thinkers. The scientific revolution, spurred by Galileo, Kepler, Newton, and others, transformed humanity's understanding of the natural world. In conclusion, Galileo Galilei's life and work exemplify the transformative power of scientific inquiry. His contributions to astronomy, mathematics, and physics laid the groundwork for the scientific revolution, challenging entrenched beliefs and ushering in a new era of empirical observation and rational inquiry. Galileo's enduring legacy lies not only in his specific discoveries, but in the mindset he cultivated, a commitment to evidence, reason, and the relentless pursuit of knowledge that continues to drive scientific exploration today.